Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that every hamster lover will want to hear about. We discovered the large 3-tier hamster cage with an easy clean waterproof tray, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The OIIBO 3-tier large hamster cage is a thoughtfully designed habitat that offers ample space for your furry little friend. With overall dimensions of 20 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 20 inches high, this cage features a deep glass base that stands at 10 inches. This depth not only allows your hamster plenty of room to dig and burrow but also prevents litter from escaping, keeping your living space tidy. One of the standout features of this cage is its 3-tier design that comes complete with various accessories. Inside the cage, you'll find 2 platforms and 2 ramps, perfect for creating a multi-level environment that encourages your hamster to explore and stay active. The cage also includes 2 sturdy fastening clips that keep everything secure, along with a waterproof PVC tray that simplifies cleaning. Speaking of cleaning, let's talk about the convenience factor. The transparent waterproof PVC tray makes it easy to remove and clean, ensuring that you can maintain a hygienic living environment for your pet. Whether you need to wipe it down or give it a thorough wash, the design allows you to do so without any hassle. Plus, you won't have to worry about any unpleasant odors lingering in the cage. When it comes to the visual appeal of the OIIBO hamster cage, you'll be pleased to know that it boasts a completely transparent design. This allows for a 360-degree view of your pet's activities, so you can enjoy watching them explore their home. The heightened wire topper ensures ample ventilation, providing fresh air circulation while keeping your hamster safe inside. With a tight 0.4-inch spacing in the wire, there's no risk of even the smallest hamsters escaping. Safety is a top priority for any pet owner, and this glass hamster cage addresses that concern effectively. Unlike wooden or acrylic cages that can present chew issues, this glass structure is chew-proof and waterproof. This makes it a perfect option for those who have concerns about their hamster chewing through their living space or those who worry about long-term wear and tear on acrylic cages. So, who is this cage suitable for? If you're a hamster enthusiast or looking for a new home for your pet, this cage is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a well-designed habitat that encourages exploration and activity. Whether you have a single hamster or a pair, the multi-tier design and included accessories provide plenty of space for your pets to thrive. In terms of practical use cases, this cage is ideal for both novice and experienced pet owners. If you're new to hamster care, the ease of assembly and cleaning will make your experience more enjoyable. For seasoned owners, the thoughtful design allows for creativity in setting up your hamster's environment. You can customize the setup with the included shelves and ramps, or even add your own accessories to make it truly unique. In conclusion, the OIIBO 3-tier large hamster cage is a fantastic option for anyone looking to create a safe, engaging, and visually appealing home for their small pets. With its easy-to-clean features, safety measures, and ample space for exploration, it's sure to be a hit with both you and your furry friend. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to